Good morning, moms. Good morning, everyone. Long time no see. I know it's been a very, very long time since I've done a video. I want to say it was like 9 months ago that I uploaded a video about me going to the gym. Today, I'm gonna do like a day in my life. So Sean already went to work. I've started to get up like at 11 a.m. I'm not a morning person, for those of you who don't know me. Come on, get them out. Come on, guys. Bella, let's go. So I usually just let them out, or Sean lets them out. Go on, let's go. Go outside. Go do your business. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited. My package has arrived. I ordered a headboard for our spare bedroom, and I'm gonna set it up today. I hope it's a good headboard. I don't know. It was pretty affordable. It was like $150 or something, but we'll see. Guys, don't mind my stove. I haven't cleaned it. I've just been so lazy with cleaning lately. I'm gonna fix myself some eggs with egg whites and then some spinach and have my coffee. The smell of coffee and the sound of that machine brewing is like life. Fix myself some breakfast. I'm having some eggs. I kind of burnt them just a little bit, but I'm having some sauteed spinach, some turkey bacon with my coffee. Oh, and by the way, these right here, I saw these on the television the other day, and I mean, I kept seeing the commercial on YouTube, and they look so good because I love chocolate. And the fact that these are vitamins and I can just have them like at least once a day. I'll try maybe sneak in another one, but I don't know if that's good or not. But yeah, these are like really, really good. So if you're a chocolate lover and you hate taking vitamins, this is probably the way to go. And then I use my stevia for my coffee instead of sugar. But this is gonna be my meal. Also, I take 2 of these a day just because I have digestive issues. So this is like really, really good. They're a little on the sweet side, so if you're not into sweets, this is probably not the best for you. But I just been taking this for like the past 6 months, and I like it. It helps. I swear, even after having my coffee, I still feel really sluggish today. But I plan on, let's see, what do I plan on doing today? I haven't even thought about what I've been wanting to do. I guess I didn't really plan this video properly. I do want to get a new tripod for my camera, so that I probably will do a little bit later. I'll probably run out Target or something. Maybe do some cleaning since my since my stove is so dirty, and figure out what I'll be making for dinner tonight. What else? Oh, duh. Set up the headboard for the spare room and see how I like it. I hope it's really nice, but I'll show you guys and see how that turns out. But let me finish my coffee. Guys, this is so pretty. So the material feels really, really nice. It's almost like you get it dirty, you can just grab like a little brush and kind of like brush it off. Like brush it off dirt. Now I'm going to try to figure out how to get this upstairs because I I told Sean that I could do it by myself, but now I feel like I need him. But I don't know yet. We have to do this. Yeah, it doesn't weigh much. I can do it. Alright, so I made it up here. With Dory's help, of course. Right, Mommy? You plan on helping me? Mommy, you have to help me because Mom can't do it all by herself. Alright, you're gonna help, okay? Alright guys, headboard is fully installed. I have to say I'm like so hot right now. It took me a little bit longer just because everything's kind of heavy as far as like the mattress and stuff. The headboard is like doesn't weigh anything, but I really like this headboard. It was honestly like the headboard part was like the easiest thing to do. Other than maybe kind of, I would probably suggest maybe having someone help you, but you don't really need someone to help you. But I'm gonna make the bed and then show you guys the finished look once I'm done. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I love it. I think I could have lifted the headboard just a little bit more by like an inch or two, but I think this is gonna work out perfect. And possibly get a bed skirt, so I'm gonna go look for one of those also. So maybe head to Target and get one of those because that's where I got my sheets from. That duvet is from IKEA. So yeah, but look who decided to join us now. Hello, say hi to the people. Say hi. Say hi. Huh? What you doing? Alright guys, I am done getting ready. I need to just do my hair. I'm not really sure if I'm going to put dry shampoo or not, but I did my makeup and I just have to change and head on over to Target. Also, let me know, would you guys be interested in seeing like a makeup tutorial, like how I do my makeup for like the gym, or just a makeup tutorial in general on how I just get ready for the day? So leave me a comment down below, just let me know. But I'm gonna go change and then head on over to Target. Alright guys, this is the look that I chose for the day. This is my OOTD. I am wearing my shorts that I picked up from Walmart. Wearing my Gucci belt with my purse. And then this top here that I picked up from Target. It's the Prologue line. But wearing my espadrilles since I'm not wearing sandals at the moment because I haven't gotten a pedicure. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys the look for today. All right, I'm gonna head on over to Target now. Got my face mask ready. Oops, and let me grab my, I like to go green, so I always use these when I go shopping. Ooh, it's hot in here. They don't have that many things in stock. I think we are having a linen shortage now instead of a toilet paper shortage. Guys, I'm in love. This is like the last one that they have here. And then I found a bedspread, but it's not the brand that I want, but it'll do. Need this. Alright guys, I just got done with Target. I did find the stuff that I needed. Although I did not find the brand of the bed skirt that I wanted, I did find this cheaper brand, which is called Room Essentials. But they did not have the threshold. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. But this will do since it's just a bed skirt and I'm not going to be sleeping on it. I don't really think it matters. And I did find my tripod, so I'll be using that from now on. And then I also got a few other goodies, like some clothes that I'll probably share on another video. But that's pretty much it. Now it's time for me to head home, pick up something to eat. I'm hungry now. And that's pretty much gonna be it. And then I'll see you back at home. All right, I'm back home. I had to go back to Target because I didn't realize when I was bringing up my items that I scanned the tripod twice. No wonder when I looked at the total, it was like a lot more than what I expected the total to be. Because I only got a few items. But yeah, so I had to go back to Target, get my money back for the other one that they charged me for. And but I got this, got my bed skirt, and that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys on another video maybe, or on Instagram if you guys want to see what I got. And I think I'm going to fix myself something for dinner. I didn't get anything on the way back because I didn't want to eat out, but I think I'll make myself like a shrimp salad, like a shrimp Caesar salad. That sounds really good. I think I'll do that. Chopped up my little romaine. I'm gonna salt bae that. They're really good. Alright guys, here is my shrimp Caesar salad. I think I might have gone crazy with the shrimps. Might be a little bit too much for me, but that's pretty much it. Mommy, are you hungry? Are you hungry? You want some shrimp? Alright, so I'm done making my salad. This is pretty much it right here. It looks really, really yummy. I'm gonna eat this before my shrimp get cold. I'm gonna wrap it up and get ready for bed as well. Shower. Sean's working late. He usually gets home between 10:30, 11 sometimes, so I don't want to wait and eat that late. But I'm gonna wrap it up. I've been filming all day. I'm exhausted, but hopefully I can make another video for you guys soon. I'll do probably like the little stories on Instagram with what I got, my little Target haul, and keep it at that. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do like a tutorial on my makeup or my hair or just something. Just give me ideas down below, and I'll do that for you guys next time. So till then, have a good day.